floor are we now?
7.
7? Oh, look at the full sign. Still 4 pa. Oh, 4L. Oh, see? I said 7. Still stoplight, Josh. See? That means you cannot go up. There's a red light. No? You wait for the light to turn green.
Storage almost full. This is J. Llorente Street. Turn left to exit parking.
Lucky mo ta, puro bayot siguro. Lucky mo na siya, puro bayot. Daga pang bayot si Lucky. Right.
Ready na yung mask.
Ready your face mask. Daily upload limit.
First time na nakakat.
Kasi bayot, magpatuwa niya sa HIV.
So,
Sinaya niya.
siyo.
Lucky ba? Bayot. Hindi siya kailangan.
Ready, gosh.
We are ready. Okay. We are here now. Nice street, 7th floor.
That could I stop you? If you like this video, there's plenty more that we came from. Do you like us? Like and subscribe, thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Una ginang ito kay Duol. Mapo kay kay parking. Okay.